Today, I'll walk you through enabling an innovative feature for your iPhone, Apple Intelligence. This system is designed to elevate your communication, productivity, and personal expression while maintaining Apple's trademark commitment to privacy. First, let's clarify compatibility. Apple Intelligence is currently available in beta for iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, and macOS Sequoia 15.1. And double-check that your device and Siri language settings are aligned with a supported language. Once your device is ready, enabling Apple Intelligence is straightforward. Head to the Settings app and scroll until you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. This is your hub for setting it up. Tap on Join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. After registering, Apple Intelligence will typically be available for activation in a few hours, although wait times can vary. When notified, tap to complete the activation. This step will involve downloading the on-device Apple Intelligence models, allowing the feature to function securely without compromising your privacy. With Apple Intelligence enabled, your device will offer context-aware suggestions, assist with daily activities, and provide smarter responses and actions, all while keeping your data private on the device. That's how you can enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks.